Right here, what's up, guys? What's up, my Jolly Ranchers? Oh shoot, who's my Pokemon Go? Ignore that. Here, I'm gonna be getting a full Pokemon Go. Shut up. Here, I'm gonna be getting a full gifted basic beehive. So I'm just gonna speed this up. Like I've already started. But yeah, I'm gonna start like right now. Hopefully. Right here. Now I have the full level 20 gifted hive. I'd say it's time to get this. Oh wait! Oh shoot! I could have just done this. I could have just leveled bees to 20 and make them gifted. The hell, man! The hell on it? That's not cool. That's not cool. On it. If you're reading this, first of all, thank you for updating Beestorm. Second of all, why didn't you tell me? I know it's my fault, but like, bro, I'm mad now. I'm so mad. Alright, whatever. Here. It's still cool. I got 50 gifted basic bees. I'm never playing Beestorm again. Goodbye.